Ready for visualization in 5 steps. First step, be clear and specific. What you want, just clear and specific. Second step will deep breathe and relaxation, and third is actual visualization which you want, and fourth greatness and thankful, and let go. Fifth step. So first is just clear and specific. So I am already clear what I really want, and this is I receive, I will tell you. So I am clear and specific with my outcome, with my today goal. Second, deep breathe for relaxation. So 3 breaths. Okay. तीन सेकेंड सांस मतलब मीन्स इनहेल, 4 मिनट्स 7 मिनट्स इस रोकना है, एंड 7 सेकेंड्स रोकना है, एंड 8 सेकेंड्स में निकालना है. ओके. अब ऐसा कैलकुलेटिव नहीं है, आगे पीछे हो सकता है. सो now visualize. I received 1 CR today. I am so happy. I easily received 1 CR every day from everywhere, from YouTube, online paid courses, life coach sessions and programs, my paid program and communities, and ebooks, and my all online and offline businesses. I received money with love, effortlessly, happily, freely, and comfortably. I really very love receiving money. I am ready to receive money. I love money. Now, me and my whole family, my brother, my sister, my mother, we all in a place where we are eating bhindi ki sabji. I am eating, and brother eating paneer ki sabji, and mother is eating aloo ki sabji, and we are happily talk, and मैं खिला रही हूँ अपने भाई को मिठाई, मम्मा को मिठाई. I told you I will made 1 CR, and today I received 1 CR, and last month 1 month I already each and every day creating this money, and next 30 days I already receive confirmation of 1 CR, and I will earn more than 1 CR each and every single day. So thank you, Mazi, because you are the person who always stand for me, who always believe in me. When I am 7 years old, you believe me that I told you I want to go hostel, and you said yes, go. Any Nobody, you don't care anybody, you believe me, you support me, you care me, you love me, you attend me. So your attention give me energy and power. So you are my god. Thank you so much, Manji. And today evening, just for your name, just for you, I told you about my brother. You always define me. You always give me shape. This is wrong. Don't do this. This is right. Do this because you have huge potential. You are a person who can change the world. Your belief, your power of male, I love. You are the first male person in my life who clear my life, who always give me huge potential, huge respect, love. Uh, Whenever I respect or not, but you always stand me. You always give me respect. When we disagree with each other, so me and you at the same time say sorry. So thank you, Sanju. You are the person. So thank you so much for everything. And now your marketing and content agency or gym also going boost. So congratulations for your success. Now you are a successful entrepreneur, successful trainer. So I really very proud of you because you did it, and your farming passion give me national award, give me national strength, because you are a person who always think about farmers. Your soul always, your heart always beats for farmers. You are a land son. You are always think about what I do for this earth, for this मिट्टी मिट्टी का बेटा है, मिट्टी के बारे में सोचता है कैसे और खेती को अच्छा बनाया जाए. सो यू आर अ पर्सन हु गिव मी very very proudness. So thank you so much, Sanju. Thank you, Nee. You are a person who give me responsibility power. When, without asking any question, if I told you anything, you believe my words. You कि दीदी ने कहा है तो हो ही जाएगा. So thank you so much. I am a responsible person, but I am a responsible because only of you, because you give me the power. You always ask, this is wrong, right? What I need to do, how do I do? So I always guide as a teacher, as a mentor, as a coach. So in academics field, in emotional relationship field, in money field, so I have whole life experience, and you are my first student, which I always train 360 degree. So thank you so much. You give me teaching skill, you give me communication skill, you give me negotiating skill, selling skill, serving skill. So thank you, Nee. I love you, Nee. आई लव यू माजी, संजू एंड निधि. आप तीनों मेरे लिए बेस्ट एनर्जी हो. आप मेरे गॉड हो. आप तीनों मेरे लिए ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश जैसे हो. आपने मुझे आज जो भी बनाया आपने बनाया. एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू अ पार्टी वेयर पूरे relatives, friend, my well-wishers, everyone invited, and I will give you the same speech in stage, because I love speaking. So I'm on the stage and everyone sitting on the chairs and everyone attend me, everyone watching me, and I wore a white frock with full sleeves and a puri costume, and my hair is always like this, and I am happily introduce myself, and then I say thank you each and every person, because every teacher give me a lot of things, a lot of love. And because now today my birthday 25 December, and I receive 100 crore profit. So this is a celebration time, and today is my birthday, and each and every person which attend this party, so I give just a warm thank you with my heart, and each and every person give me congratulations. Congratulations, Neha, and I feel thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. My favorite teachers in this whole hall, in this garden, basically, and dim see light and everything is like now I feel thank you, thank you, thank you, and I give a speech. Thank you so much, as I am financially free. Now I am give you an opportunity that you will also free. So if you in my speech, if you want like me, so you work on mindset. I can help you. I can do for everything you just do what I will say. I will give you a script, I will give you a studio setup, I will give you क्या बोलना है क्या नहीं बोलना है, editing, posting, updating, and then you will pay some monthly minimum commission, or energy means money, because I give you value and exchange with the form of energy. So you give me money and I give you all this which you need. So everyone said 90%. Yes, I give you minimum to maximum limit where everyone join, and every one person which in this party, we create everyone YouTube channel, Instagram page, and before this we counsel that who is made, what is God gift for her and him, and then we decide ki this is your God gift, now work on this, and build and 21 to 90 days depend on person to person, and these focus, and then in 90 days you each and every person in this party, each person earning from YouTube and social media and offline and online businesses, multiple businesses. So I serve the country in this way. I am spread my knowledge, my service for each and every citizen of India and whole world, because I want to serve country. I want to serve humanity and Africa and Asian, females, males, childs, kids, everyone. Now world is beautiful. Now each and every person helpful for other. kindness for other, grateful